Hello people! I hope everyone has started the year well. I am here to give you my 2021 rewind and to give thanks for staying subscribed to my channel and for enjoying and learning as well as from my experience that I am sharing to you always. When I started again doing videos in the start of the pandemic, which is in 2020, I just I feel like doing like 2 videos per week and just continue doing it. But then a lot of things happened, and I told myself that in 2021 I will just show up and post or upload videos, one video every week, and I don't want to pressure myself. And honestly speaking, all the videos that I'm doing is for challenging myself or to learn that I have a capability on doing this certain recipe or the travel videos or the review videos that I am explaining or sharing to you. And that is what my main goal is, to challenge and to explore, keep exploring and exploring my capabilities, because it will help me for my inner self and just enjoy whatever recipe or baking that I wanted to try, that I can actually try. And also, all the baking and cooking recipe that I'm doing, I was only doing that for first try, because I don't have a budget, or it's for my own pocket. That's why I can't make mistakes here and there. So I don't have any sponsored videos. I am doing this to, as I said, to explore my capability, to challenge myself. And I enjoy doing cinematics and trying and explaining to you things that I have experienced. So for this 2022, it's still the same goal that I want, is to challenge myself, and I am encouraging you to explore your capabilities. So thank you so much again, guys, for being there, for sticking around, for subscribing, and let's enjoy the rest of 2022. And a lot of videos are still gonna be uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. Bye!
To be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says,